Right, so Scorp, bit of folded cereal packet, 2000 grit, wet and dry. Wrap the wet and dry tightly around the folded cereal packet, slightly curve it, get the Scorp, push through the Scorp and lift. Slowly work your way around to the centre. Same with the outside. Curve it to the curve of the Scorp and follow the flat bevel. Work in to the outside of the edge and lift in and not saw in through the Scorp, if that makes sense. I hope this is a little bit enlightening. So we'll do the inside. So what we're going to do is pull. The important thing is to remember to keep your finger away from the edge and to lift off every time you pull through. And that should keep your Scorp nice and sharp so we can slice paper. Yeah, that simple.